So the next concept I told you is c'est, ou, il est or elle est. So how to know in which cases we need to use c'est and in which cases we need to use either il est or elle est. So here are the rules. So the first one, c'est présente une personne ou une chose. So the word c'est is used to present une personne ou une chose, a person or a place. Il est suivi d'un nom avec un article. So it is followed by a noun with an article. So this is the tip for you. C'est is used to present a person or a thing or a place. It is followed by a noun with an article. So that is when we use c'est. Moving on to the next one, il est or elle est. So when do we use il est or elle est? This is used to characterize a person or a place. This is for characterization. This is to present. This is to characterize. So these two are the words you need to remember. C'est is used to present and il est or elle est is used to characterize. So let us see this example. Tu connais Pierre? Oui. C'est un garçon sympathique. So here they are presenting a person. Do you know Pierre? Yes. He is a c'est un. So they are presenting the person. C'est un garçon sympathique. But if you look at the next sentence, il est très intelligent. Il est très intelligent because you are characterizing the person. So here it is characterization. The purpose is characterization. So you use il est. The next one, il est professeur à l'université. So this is also characterization. So again it is il est. Look at the next sentence. C'est un bon professeur. So here you are presenting the person. He is a good professor. So c'est un bon professeur. So in this case, for this concept, we have to learn how to fill in either c'est or il est or elle est. So in which cases do we write c'est and which cases do we use il est or elle est? Just simple rules. So when you are presenting a person or a place, pour présenter un person ou une chose, then in that case we use c'est. However, for characterizing a person, so for example in this case, il est très intelligent. In this case, we are not presenting the person, we are explaining the character. So in that case, we use either il est or elle est.